Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you will be needing to do is to go to the Slack website and from there you will be able to get your own working space. So simply either you can use it like from your web browser or you can simply download the Slack app and it will be the same usage. So now all we will be needing to do is to go to the slack.com and then you will be needing to be logged in. So I'm already logged into my account and simply you will be needing to go here. So already you can see all your workspace that you have been like connected to or joining, and from there you will be able to launch them all. So here I have my working space and I have like mini working space. Those are that I've been like invited to, those are that have been created, and basically you can just simply click on launch and from here you will find your Slack working space. So let's just go for this one and I'm just going to delete this. So as you can see, it's already like asking me if I want like to open the Slack uh, desktop app, and you can choose like to open it or you can stay on the browser. So in my case I will just simply stay on the browser. So we click on use Slack in this in browser, and from here you will be able to start using your working space, or you can simply choose from your working space if you had already logged into your Slack. So you will find already all your working spaces here, and you can start navigating between these working spaces. And you can chat like get the feature of each working space. For example, this one I have these specific channels. If I go to some other channel or other working space, I will have like their member, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.